Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Povidone Iodine Betadine throat spray. First, always ensure the spray nozzle is clean and ready for use. Gently shake the bottle before each application to ensure the solution is well mixed. It's also very important to check the expiration date on the packaging to guarantee the product's effectiveness and safety. These simple preparatory steps ensure you are ready for proper application. To apply the spray correctly, open your mouth wide and aim the nozzle directly towards the back of your throat. This ensures the povidone iodine reaches the affected area effectively. Administer 1 to 2 sprays per dose, as recommended. Remember, it is crucial not to inhale while spraying to prevent any irritation or discomfort. Proper aim and technique are key for optimal results. After spraying, it is important not to swallow immediately. Allow the solution to remain in your throat for at least 15 seconds to maximize its germ-killing action. You can use the spray every 3 to 4 hours as needed for relief. However, do not exceed 5 applications within a 24-hour period to avoid overuse. Following these guidelines ensures effective and safe usage. Always consult a doctor if your sore throat symptoms persist for more than a few days or if they worsen. Avoid using this spray if you have a known allergy to iodine or any of its ingredients. Keep the product safely out of reach of children and pets. Store it at room temperature, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its efficacy. Your health and safety are paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.